Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today. It is almost Christmas and I am not usually someone who gets excited about Christmas. However, I have this beautiful Christmas collection from Nude by Nature to share with you, and I also, down the track a little bit, I will be sharing a tutorial with how you can use some of these beautiful natural and cruelty-free products to go from a day look and move it into more of a night look. So stay tuned for that shortly, but I'm going to quickly run you through some of these beautiful packs from Nude by Nature. They're all natural, cruelty-free, and even if you're not wanting to actually buy these as gifts for someone else, I would just suggest buying a gift for yourself. Another reason why I'm excited for you guys is because maybe you could win some of this. You'll have to make sure you are on my Instagram and my Facebook pages and keep an eye out over the next few weeks. I'm starting out with the Beam Moisture Shine lipstick. This contains one of their lipsticks in Dusty Rose, and the packaging is just adorable. So this is $19.95 and it usually retails for $22.95. So that is really cute for a teenager, your mum. It's a great stocking filler, really good price, really cute packaging. So next I have a lip kit. This contains a lip liner and a lipstick. Sorry, the lighting is like reflecting off all of this beautiful packaging. So this one is $29.95 and it's valued at $39.90. And this contains a soft pink defining lip pencil and a Moisture Shine lipstick. So this is the Starlight gift pack, and this is a trio of their best-selling Moisture Infusion lip glosses. This would have to be one of my favorite packs. I just think the value is amazing. The colors are all neutral. So they've got 3 in here. They've got Bare, Blush Beige, and Dusk. And I do a swatch of all of these in the tutorial that I have coming up shortly. So this retails for $34.95, but the value is $65.85. So if you like lip gloss, if you have a teenager who is just starting out with makeup, this is just the perfect little gift pack. If you're more of a lipstick person or you're wanting something for your mum or even your grandma, this is their Glimmer Pack, and this contains 3 of their Moisture Shine lipsticks. So this has got Nude, Blush Pink, and Dusky Nude. And again, in adorable packaging. This is $39.95 and it's valued at $68.85. If you're someone who likes nude, pink, blushing sort of lipsticks, I would just go and buy this for yourself. Honestly, the value is amazing. So moving away from lips for a second, I have a really good pack here. Again, this would be a great starter pack for a teenager or someone who is new to mineral makeup. This is their Daylight 3-piece complexion kit, and it contains their mineral primer, mineral cover foundation, and a mini kabuki brush. So it's a really good starter kit. It's appropriate to wear to school, uni, work. Great everyday products in here, really natural, really clean. And this is valued at $47.85 and it's only $19.95. These are so adorable. I have these Bonbon gift packs here, and I've got one which is called Twinkle. Now this one contains a Moisture Infusion lip gloss and also a sheer light illuminator. So great for the festive season. Valued at $37.90, it's only $29.95. So cute. You don't even have to wrap these. That is the best thing about these. You don't even need wrapping. We have the gift Set Moonlight, which is a 2-piece complexion and eye collection kit. Again, this is only $29.95 and it contains the natural mineral cover foundation and also their alluring defining mascara. We've got a brush set. This value is incredible. So this actually contains 6 brushes and it's only $29.95. And these are so cute. I use some of these in my tutorial coming up soon, and these actually have a clear handle and they're just beautiful. They're cruelty-free and they are so soft. I cannot explain how soft they are on the skin. So again, great for sensitive skin and a really good starter kit for someone who's new to makeup, a teenager, or someone who just needs some brush refreshing. While we're talking about brushes, let's look at some bigger sets. Again, we're going back into the reflection set. This one is only $39.95 and it contains 10 pieces. The other one contained 6. So this one has the addition of some eye brushes as well, lip brush, tapered blending brush, lash and brow spoolie, and a crease brush as well. And then we go into a bigger kit. So for someone who is really starting to get into makeup, or just someone you want to spend a little bit more money on, hey, maybe even yourself, you might want to spend this on yourself. So this one is the Shimmer Ultimate 15-piece brush set. It is $69.95, which is incredible value. Again, all cruelty-free brushes, and these ones have a beautiful like rose gold kind of handle, so really cute for the festive season. Moving on to some gift packs, I have the Glisten Good For You Essential Collection here. This one is $49.95 and it's valued at $128. Now, I used a lot of these products to get this makeup look that I did coming up soon. So this one contains pretty much everything you need for an everyday makeup look. So it's got primer, mineral cover foundation, mineral finishing veil, mineral brush, a concealer, a lip pencil, and a lip gloss. And even just the bag is so cute. Like, who would not reuse that? Moving on to a larger pack, we have the Twilight Deluxe Good For You collection. This one is $59.95. It's valued at $136. This has got the Airbrush Mineral Primer, Natural Mineral Cover Foundation, lip gloss, and the Kabuki brush. I think the difference is these ones are full sort of size, whereas the one I just showed you, the Glisten, they are a little bit smaller, apart from the lip pencil and the lip gloss are a full size. Dun, 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 dun. This is the last one I wanted to show you. This is their Spectrum Pro Makeup Case. Now this also contains a set of brushes, which is limited edition. It's got a little tray that you can sit in the middle as well and kind of separate all of your makeup. Again, this is so cute for someone who's just starting out with makeup. How excited would you be to get this as a gift as a teenager? This one is $99.95 and it feels really solid and the color is adorable, and I like that it's clear and you can see what's in there. So if you're looking for something a little bigger, you could get this and you could fill it with a heap of the other items, or you could just give it on its own. It's pretty amazing. So that is it for the Nude by Nature Christmas collection. I am just so in love. I just think everything is such good value. It's packaged so beautifully and there's just something for everyone in there. I love it. It's coming into a busy time of year, so to save time, our makeup routine should be simple, long-lasting, and easy to touch up for long days and after-hours events. I'm using the Glisten pack in medium for this daytime look. Starting out with a primer today to create a nice even base, give our makeup a better chance of lasting throughout long days and the warmer weather coming up. This primer is silicone free and will create a really nice base, and it also offers natural skincare benefits from beautiful ingredients like kakadu plum and green tea. Moving on to some spot concealing, I'm using the concealer brush from the Reflection Luxe 10-piece set, and the focus is really reducing dark circles, which we all tend to get more of through the festive season. And also I'm applying it to any spots and pigmentation just to give me a flawless base. Now I'm taking the Natural Mineral Cover Foundation and I'm using a mixture of circular and patting motions to gradually build up to my desired coverage. The thing I love about this mineral foundation is it's easy to apply and to blend. It's non-drying, but it also controls oil and shine, and it gives natural sun protection and it's fragrance free, so great for sensitive skin. I'm only applying a small amount around my eye area to avoid fine lines, and I'm applying extra to my cheekbone area just to give me a subtle contour for the day. I'm taking the buffing brush from the beautiful Reflection 10-piece brush set. The mineral finishing veil is translucent and it's non-drying, but it's also really great at mattifying and reducing oil buildup. So I'm focusing on setting my eye concealer and also just patting that throughout my T-zone. This lip defining pencil in soft pink is beautiful on its own, but it also makes a really nice base for the Moisture Infusion lip gloss in Dusk. The gloss color is perfect for the festive season, but if you prefer something a little more subtle for the daytime, we'll also look at a couple of the other colors in the Starlight lip gloss set. So we're starting out with Bear, which is a subtle glossy nude, perfect for everyday wear. Blush Beige is the perfect pinky nude and would have to be one of my absolute favorite lip gloss colors. So this is my finished daytime look. Let me know which lip color you prefer, and now let's take this look from day to night. So we're starting out by refreshing our base. If you have oily skin, you can pat the oil away using a tissue and then reapply some mineral finishing veil or a mineral foundation wherever you need to control shine and give a little bit of extra coverage or touch up any blemishes. Now it's time to add some color and definition to this face. I'm taking the Nude by Nature Pressed Matte Mineral Bronzer and I'm focusing on my cheek area. And I'm also going to create some definition in the crease, socket, and the outer corner of my eye. These Touch of Glow highlight sticks are so versatile. They can be used to highlight anywhere on the face or body. I'm focusing the bronze color on the outer area of my lid. And then I'm taking this lighter champagne color and applying that to the center of my lid and also the high points of my face and anywhere on my body that I'd really like to glow. These little guys are so versatile. Moving into evening makeup, mascara is a must. I'm opening up the eyes with a couple of coats of the Allure Defining Mascara. And if anyone knows how to look cute when you're applying mascara, please let me know. Moving on to some lip color, and I have the Glimmer Moisture Shine lipstick pack here. So let's swatch these beautiful colors. Nude is always a safe option, and it will go with any occasion and outfit. It's definitely a go-to for me and a safe option. Blush Pink adds a nice flush to your lips without being too intense. It's really, really pretty. Again, great for daytime too, but it's also beautiful for nighttime wear. And then Dusky Nude takes it a little deeper, and I think this is a really nice color for nighttime, but also for the festive season. For extra lipstick staying power, I like to apply one coat, blot a little bit of it away, and then reapply. You can also add a light layer of powder to create more of a matte look. So this is my finished day to night look. I hope you enjoyed seeing these beautiful natural products in action and found my festive makeup tips helpful. Don't forget to keep an eye out on my social media for the upcoming giveaways, and thank you all so much for watching.